Mukbang preparation. We pick eggplant, kangkong, string beans, ampalaya leaves, saluyot leaves, alubati. All organic po ito. Galing sa garden ni Mama. Dito lang din po sa bahay. Mom wash alubati and boiled it. Then she also cooked pakbet na saluyot. Yum! Mama boiled eggplant, stir the eggs, and mix to the eggplant and fry it. She prepared string beans for ginisa. Ito na po lahat ang linuto ni Mama. At syempre, di mawawala ang prutas. Gaya ng kamatis, kaimito, mulberry. Hugas kamay na po tayo. Syempre, dapat po malinis. So, I put soap in my hand to remove all the dirts to be safe for eating. Eating fruits and vegetables make us strong and healthier. So we must eat vegetables and fruits. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.